Sai Ram. I'm sure that all of us go through situations in life when we wonder why is such a thing happening to us. Days, weeks, months, years, and sometimes even decades pass and we are still stuck in that situation, facing a wall which doesn't seem to clear away at all. What I have learnt is that even the toughest and worst of such situations also have a meaning and purpose in our life. I would like to share a story and a personal experience with my beloved master Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba that I am sure will help us when we feel stuck in life.
Prema Swarupulara.
Ever since I got to know of Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba, I always wanted to enroll as a student in any of his educational institutions. And so in 1994, I tried to get admission in the Sri Satya Sai Primary School. But then as a policy, they don't take students in between. You join either grade 1 or directly at grade 11. And therefore, I didn't get admission. But I didn't want to go back to any other school other than Swami School. And that is how I landed at the Sri Satya Sai Vidyapeeth in Calicut, the state of Kerala. In this school, there were students from all around the country and even from neighboring countries like Nepal. These students came here mainly for the good education. They were not Swami's devotees. In fact, we Sai devotees were a minority in that school. And anytime there would be fights between a devotee and a non-devotee, the non-devotee would abuse Swami, knowing for sure that it hurts the devotee. We had to have a very high moral fiber and character because any blot on that, it would get attributed to Swami. Now that is something to keep in mind always. Every night I would go and sit in the large prayer hall at Sri Shailam when nobody was there and cry out to Swami, Swami, I wanted to be with you as your student. Why have you got me to this place where they tease me, they abuse you, they scold you? Swami, please take me out of this hell. I was in the 8th grade in 1995 when I got an irresistible offer after I had won the Hindi elocution competition. Arvind, would you like to deliver a talk in Hindi in Bhagwan's presence at Prashanti Nilayam during this year's Onam? Now, Onam is a very important festival for the people of Kerala. Speaking in Swami's presence, it was an amazing offer and I jumped at it. I would be ready to speak even in French if needed, if it is in Swami's presence. Thus, fully prepared, I arrived to Puttaparthi for Onam. One day during Darshan, as Swami came near me, in my eagerness to show my speech to Swami, I offered that sheet of paper on which my entire speech was written. Swami looked at me, took that sheet of paper from me and walked away. I wasn't so perturbed because I knew the whole thing by heart. You could wake me up in the middle of the night and say Om Shri Sai Ram and I would start reeling out the entire speech. And on the Onam day, one of the chief guests who had to arrive for that function cancelled at the last moment and Swami was waiting for him for quite a while. And because it got late, he directly delivered his divine discourse, which meant that my speech had been cancelled. As Swami received Aarti and left, I was in tears. I wondered what had I done wrong that this opportunity I had got to go close to Swami had been snatched away from me and by Swami himself. Things got worse when I returned back to the school because in school now, all the boys had a new way of teasing me. This fellow thinks that he loves Swami and Swami loves him so much. Swami didn't want to hear him speak. So he is a sinner. He has done wrong things. He has angered the Lord. That's why Swami didn't give him an opportunity to speak. These were the new taunts that I had to hear. In an apparently lose-lose situation like this, I often remind myself of the Push story. The story goes that God once appeared before a devout man and asked him, My dear one, I want you to do something for me. Will you? Absolutely, Lord. Your wish is my command. You see that rock over there? Yes, I want you to push it. You think that I can push it? Of course. I know you can. Then Here I go. The man tried his best before finally giving up.
God! What is this cruel joke you're playing on me?
You cheated me, God. Why do you say so, my dear? Because you knew that I couldn't move that rock. And still you told me to push it? Yes, I told you to just push the rock. I never told you to move it, right? I don't understand. My dear one, I told you to push the rock to build you. Look at your biceps. Look at your triceps. Look at your calf muscles. Look at your thigh muscles. You have become so strong now. I told you to push the rock so that you can be built. Moving the rock is not a problem at all. I can move it anytime I want. When we face an unmovable rock or a wall in our life, all we need to do is just to persevere with our pushing. Now let's get back to my story. I got to know that 2 years later, again, there would be a slot open for a student to speak in Bhagwan's presence. And in order to ensure that I get that slot, I began to participate in all the extracurricular activities of the school. Elocution, Hindi, English, singing, a group song, mono action, dramatics, everything. In 1997, 2 years after the fiasco, once again, I got the opportunity to deliver a speech in Bhagwan's presence on Onam in Prasanthi Nilayam. That year, I wasn't denied my chance. As my name was called out, I got up and walked up to Bhagwan. I knelt, touched his lotus feet and looked at him. He looked into my eyes. I said, Swami, and his eyes beckoned me to ask what my heart longed for. All the 4 years of my life at Sri Shailam, I had wanted to ask him for a seat in his school at Prasanthi Nilayam. But what came out of my mouth that moment when his eyes met my eyes was something totally unexpected. Swami, all my life, please keep me with you. And Swami patted me on my shoulder and he said, yes, go and speak now. I went and delivered the speech. It was on autopilot mode because, as I said, I had thoroughly memorized it. And after the speech, once again I went and took namaskar and I said, Swami, please come to visit our school. Swami said, I will. And then I returned to my place. 2 days later, Swami decided to give Pad Namaskar to all the students from Sri Sathya Sai Vidyapeeth Sri Shailam. As Swami came close, he took my letter, but even as I thought of getting up and asking him, he put his hand on my head. But then Swami moved a little ahead, turned around and then asked me, you were the boy who spoke that day, right? I said, yes, Swami. Then he asked me, what do you want to do after 12th? Medical or engineering? I just said, Swami, medical. Swami said, take bioscience as your major subject and join my school. Get good marks. And he walked ahead. The next academic year, I was a student of the Sri Sathya Sai Higher Secondary School at Prasanthi Nilayam. When we ask for God, everything else we automatically get. We often think that we are stuck in life because we assume that progress lies only in moving the rock. In those couple of years when I was going on pushing my Sri Shailam school rock, I grew physically, mentally, psychologically, and most importantly, spiritually, in my yearning and love for Swami. By the way, do you know that PUSH is actually a beautiful acronym too? It stands for Pray Until Something Happens. So let's keep praying and more importantly, let's keep pushing. Thank you. Jai Sai Ram. Hey, before you leave, I am sure that you too have had your own experience of pushing the rock apparently in vain. It would be wonderful if you too share your push story in the comments below. It will enrich all the viewers and me personally and everyone, and we can enjoy a satsang there. Thank you once again. Sai Ram.
श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती धीनामभित्रयवतु। गणेशाय नमः। सरस्वत्यै नमः। श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। ओम शांति शांति शांति। पुरुषस्य विद्मः सहस्राक्षस्य महादेवस्य धीमहि तन्नो रुद्र प्रचोदयात्। तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे महादेवाय धीमहि तन्नो रुद्र प्रचोदयात्। तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्दी प्रचोदयात्। तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे चक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो नन्दी प्रचोदयात्। तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे महासेनाय धीमहि तन्नः षण्मुखः प्रचोदयात्। तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे सुवर्णपाक्षाय धीमहि तन्नो गरुडः प्रचोदयात्। वेदात्मनाय विद्महे हिरण्यगर्भाय धीमहि तन्नो ब्रह्म प्रचोदयात्। नारायणाय विद्महे वासुदेवाय धीमहि तन्नो विष्णु प्रचोदयात्। वज्रनकाय विद्महे तीक्ष्णदंष्ट्राय धीमहि तन्नो नरसिंहः प्रचोदयात्। भास्कराय विद्महे महायुतिकराय धीमहि तन्नो आदित्यः प्रचोदयात्। वैश्वानराय विद्महे लालीलाय धीमहि तन्नो अग्निः प्रचोदयात्। कात्यायनाय विद्महे कन्याकुमारी धीमहि तन्नो दुर्गे प्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ शांति शांति शांतिः। मेधा देवी जुषमाना न आगात् विश्वाचि भद्रा सुमनस्यमाना त्वया जुस्तानुदमाना दुरुक्तान् बृहद्वदेम विदते सुवीरा। त्वया जुस्ता ऋषिर्भवति देवी त्वया ब्रह्मा गतश्रीरुतत्वया। त्वया जुस्तश्चित्रं विन्दते वसुसानो जुषस्व रविनो न मेदे। मेदाम इन्द्रो ददातु मेदां देवी सरस्वती। मेदामे अश्विनपुबावा दत्तां पुष्करस्रजा। अप्सरासु चया मेधा गन्धर्वेषु चयन्मनः। देवी मेधा सरस्वती सा मां मेधा सुरभिर्जुषतागुं स्वाहा आमां मेधासुरभिर्विश्वरूपा हिरण्यवर्णा जगति जगम्या ऊर्जस्वती पयसा पिन्वमाना सा मां मेधा सुप्रदीकाजुषन्ताम् मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मयि अग्निस्तेजो ददातु मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मयि इन्द्रियं ददातु मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मयि सूर्यो व्राजो ददातु हंसाय विद्महे परमहंसाय धीमहि तन्नो हंसः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। नीलादेवी गुं शरणमहं प्रपद्ये गृह्णाहि घृतवती सवितराधिपत्ये पयस्वतिरन्तिरासानो अस्तु ध्रुवादृशां विष्णुपत्यघोरा शेषाना सहसोया मनोतान् बृहस्पतिर्मातरि सोतवायुः सन्दुवानावाता अभिनो गृह्णतु विस्तम्भो दिवो दरुणपृथिव्या अशेषाना जगतो विष्णुपत्नी। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां ज्ञानेन मार्गेण महीमहेशाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम् समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
विघ्नविनाशक देवादिदेवा विघ्नविनाशक देवादिदेवा आदिसनातन देवा
भैरवि अम्बे भवानी भैरवि अम्बे भवानी जगदम्बे माता जगजननी जगदम्बे माता जगजननी अम्ब भैरवि अम्बे भवानी नारायणी पतित पावनी नारायणी पतित पावनी प्रतिपुरीश्वरी साई जननी प्रतिपुरीश्वरी साई जननी भैरवि अम्बे भवानी जगदम्बे माता जगजननी अम्ब भैरवि अम्बे भवानी नारायणी पतित पावनी प्रतिपुरीश्वरी साई जननी प्रतिपुरीश्वरी साई जननी भैरवि अम्बे भवानी
ब्रह्मांड नायका बाबा प्रतिपुरीश्वर बाबा ब्रह्मांड नायका बाबा प्रतिपुरीश्वर
अयोध्या नगरी तुम्हारी बनाई, द्वारक नगरी तुम्हारी बसाई। अयोध्या नगरी तुम्हारी बनाई, द्वारक नगरी तुम्हारी बसाई। शिरडी पति तुम्हारी बनाई बाबा, शिरडी पति तुम्हारी बनाई। ब्रह्मांड नायका बाबा, कर्तिपुरीश्वर बाबा। मानस भजो रे गुरु चरण, मानस भजो रे गुरु चरण, मानस भजो रे गुरु चरण, मानस भजो रे गुरु चरण। साई चरणं प्रणमाम्यहम्, साई चरणं प्रणमाम्यहम्, साई चरणं प्रणमाम्यहम्, साई चरणं प्रणमाम्यहम्। सत्य साई चरणं प्रणमाम्यहम्, सत्य साई निर्मल हृदय विराजित निर्मल हृदय विराजित सकल चराचर व्यापक चरण, सकल चराचर व्यापक चरण, भवसागर उदारक चरण, भवसागर उदारक चरण, साई चरणं प्रणमाम्यहम्,
माधवा गोपाला माधवा गोपाला वंदनंदन घनश्याम गोपाला
नटराजा नटराजा नटन शेखरा राजा नटराजा नटराजा नटन शेखरा राजा नटराजा नटराजा नटन शेखरा राजा शिव शिव नमो हर हर नमो 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 शंकर शिव नटराजा शंकर शिव नटराजा शंकर शिव नटराजा शंकर शिव नटराजा नटराजा नटन शेखरा राजा नमः पार्वती तटये हर ॐ नमः पार्वती पतये हर 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 महादेवा हर 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 महादेवा नटराजा नटराजा नटन शेखरा राजा शिव शिव नमो हर हर नमो शंकर शिव नटराजा शंकर शिव नटराजा 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 नटन शेखरा राजा नमः पार्वती पतये हर 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 महादेवा हर 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 महादेवा नटराजा नटराजा नटन शेखरा राजा साईनाथ भगवान साईनाथ भगवान साईनाथ भगवान साईनाथ भगवान हरियानंदमय जय नारायण साई आनंदमय जय नारायण वसुदेव दादा जीवन वसुदेव दादा जीवन परमानंदा माधवा परमानंदा माधवा परमानंदा माधवा परमानंदा माधवा हरियानंदमय जय नारायण
Om Sai Ram. Bhagwan's counsel for today. The mind spins a cocoon for the individual soul to be imprisoned in. Karma, which is the activity of ignorance, Maya, encloses the individual in its grip. It is the husk that makes the paddy seed grow and yield more paddy plants and more grains of paddy. Remove the husk and there is no more sprouting. The husk, karma, makes the individual soul sprout and undergo the pleasure and pain produced by the impressions unconsciously left on the mind by past good or bad actions, vasanas, and perform purificatory rites and sacred ceremonies. Hence, you reward and punish yourself as the result of your own activities. You are born now because you wish to come here. You gravitate to the level to which your deeds drag or lift you. You make your own future by your thoughts, desires, and deeds. Jai Sai Ram. And now we shall offer Mangalarati to Bhagwan.
Om Jai Jagadish Hare Swami Satya Sai Hare Bhakta Jana Samrakshak Bhakta Jana Samrakshak Pati Maheshwara Om Jai Jagadish Hare Shashi Vadana Srikara Sarva Pranapati Swami Sarva Pranapati Asmita Kalpalatika Asmita Kalpalatika Avatardava Om Jai Jagadish Hare Pita Gurudevam Mariyandayunive Swami Mariyandayunive Nada Brahma Jagannatha Nada Brahma Jagannatha Nagendra Shayana Om Jai Jagadish Hare Omkara Rupa Uday Om Sai Mahadeva Satya Sai Mahadeva Mangala Arati Anduko Mangala Arati Anduko Mandara Giridhari Om Jai Jagadish Hare Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana 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 Om Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana Narayana Om Jai Sadgurudeva Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana 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 Om Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana Narayana Om Jai Sadgurudeva Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana 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 Om Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana Narayana Om Jai Sadgurudeva Shanti 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 Samastaloka Sukhino Bhavantu Samastaloka Sukhino Bhavantu Samastaloka Sukhino Bhavantu Shanti 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 Jai Bolo Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba Ji ki
भुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्